Uninstalling the Easyshare application is straightforward on both Android and iOS devices. First, let's focus on Android. Begin by opening the Settings application on your Android device. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the section labeled either Apps or Apps and Notifications. In this section, scroll through the list of all your installed applications until you find Easyshare. Tap on Easyshare to open its information page. Depending on your specific device and version of Android, you might see an Uninstall button right on this page. If the Uninstall button is not immediately visible, you will need to take a few additional steps. First, tap on Storage. From there, select Clear Data, followed by Clear Cache. After clearing the data and cache, you should now see the Uninstall button. Tap on it and confirm any prompts that appear to complete the uninstallation process. For iOS devices, the process is equally simple. Locate the Easyshare application icon on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it begins to shake and a small X appears in the top left corner of the app icon. Tap on the X and then confirm the deletion by selecting Delete in the prompt that appears. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Settings application, go to General, and then to iPhone Storage. In the iPhone Storage section, find Easyshare in the list of applications. Tap on Easyshare, and then tap Delete App to remove it from your device. Following these steps ensures the Easyshare app is completely uninstalled from your device, freeing up space and removing the application from your system.